Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open the app and import photos at 300 dpi for print or 72 dpi for web. Choose multiple images by tapping thumbnails and using the Select tool to batch import. Create an album and name it clearly to organize your shoot. Tag images with keywords like portrait or product to speed searching later. Set the workspace to grid overlay to align horizons and verticals during cropping. Crop to a 16:9 aspect ratio to frame the subject cleanly. Start with exposure and shadows to balance overall brightness and depth. Increase exposure by +0.3 to brighten shadows without clipping highlights. Reduce highlights by about 25% to recover blown areas and keep skin tones natural. Set contrast around +15% and clarity to +10 for mid-tone definition and texture. Use the histogram to watch clipping on left and right edges. Adjust white balance with Kelvin numbers, or apply the daylight preset for consistent color across images. Zoom to 100% and inspect edges and skin for small distractions to remove. Use the healing tool with 25 to 50 pixel brush sizes for small spots and power lines. Apply selective adjustments to eyes and lips with a soft brush and reduce saturation by about 5% if colors feel too intense. Add a subtle vignette of 5 to 10% to guide the viewer toward the subject. Export at 80% JPEG quality and set the long edge to 2048 pixels for web sharing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.